Now I know that unicorn boxes have been done over and over again, but little girls love unicorns, and this may very well be the very first gift that she and her siblings get. Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I am doing a unicorn box for a girl 2 to 4. And I am doing this box in collaboration with my friend Sharon from East Coast Stories. We just did a collab where we did a wolf box together. She did a girl wolf and I did a boy wolf box. And I'm so excited to do this with her. We have been friends since 2019. I've known her, and we have just bonded over the fact that we love doing shoe boxes. And I love her shoe boxes. She comes up with some amazing themes, and she also has a lot of amazing stories behind the themes of her boxes. So you should definitely check out Sharon if you haven't already. And if you are coming over from her channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Diana Ruth, and I also love packing shoe boxes. Last year we did girl 2 to 4 ballerina boxes that were really adorable. So I will also link those videos at the end of this video, as well as in the description box. But I do hope you go over and check out her two to 4 girl boxes that she's done in a unicorn theme. So first off, I'll take out her coloring book. I know that Sharon has a similar coloring book to this. Really fun and easy to color for a toddler. And this was from Dollarama. And then I'll let you, I don't know if you can see her lid or not, but the toy that I gave her, it came with this little picture inside, so I just attached it to her lid, as well as a sticker that was given to me by Amazon. They sent it to me for free, just a little like cell phone sticker with a rainbow. So I'll take her little unicorn out right now, and I will show you the rest of this later. But it's a Lego Duplo. And then, not completely a unicorn, but I still thought it was cute. It's a Pegasus, and it's very soft for her to cuddle with. My daughter loves the Squishmallows and loves this size of squishy. And then she has a shirt. I think I put, yeah, in the pocket of her shirt, I just put a few little star stickers in there. And I did give her a long sleeve shirt. It's just plain, but it's pretty pink. And this is a size 6. I've also given her a Dollar Tree tin. Typically I put my pencils and school supplies in here, but I did this one differently. I gave her a white scrunchie that she could also wear as a bracelet. And then she has a little soap in here. I picked this up for free at a hotel. And then a very nice soft washcloth for her. It's a great quality one. She has a ball in here. It's got castles and unicorns and rainbows all over it. I have also given her a couple Disney figurines that I picked up at my local Giant Tiger. I pack shoe boxes from Canada. They were $1 each. Their heads can move. Now, I was just thinking when I put these in her box, of all the Disney princess cartoons that I have seen, I've never seen Disney do a unicorn in their cartoons. I could be wrong. Maybe Elsa's is a water, I know hers is a water horse. Maybe it's a unicorn as well. I'm not sure. But I found it interesting when I was thinking about it, because I don't think that Disney has ever done a unicorn with their princess movies. But I could be wrong. You can correct me if I'm wrong. All right, and then she has unicorn shoes. Here is her adorable unicorn stuffy friend to go with the Pegasus. The Pegasus and the unicorn can be friends. And then also in that shoe, I put in, I couldn't fit in both of the shoe or both of the socks, so I put it somewhere else, but there's her shoes. And then in the other cute unicorn shoe, she has a hair bow, an eraser, and some unicorn socks. These ones have little rainbows, perfect for her shoes. And here is the other sock that I put in her pencil sharpener that's covered. So she has 3 pairs of socks to go with her shoes. And those shoes were free to me. They were donated to me, so they didn't cost me anything. And then she has a cute striped tote bag. And then I wanted to give her some sensory. So she has a really soft pair of socks, and they are kitties, but the kitties have a unicorn horn. So these could be something that she wears at night to keep her feet warm. I know that I like my feet covered when I sleep at night. Okay, here is her toy. I put it in this adorable bag. I bought these a couple years ago. They were 79 cents at Superstore, these pouches. So first off, let me show you the packaging. I bought this last year. It always pays to go to your stores and just look at every end cap. You never know what you're gonna find. I found one of these Duplo boxes. It was marked down to $4, and Lego Duplo is very expensive. This was just laying with a bunch of Christmas candles and Christmas candies that were marked down because I went after Christmas. So it always pays to check your end aisles. So that's the packaging. And I could fit everything in except for the unicorn. So it's like a little train that you can attach. There's a rainbow and a star, and then like a, what do you call this, like a translucent star. And the unicorn can ride on the train. I thought that was really cute. Or you can put the star here. She can mix it up. And then I figured even her little princess dolls could be played with this train set. I put the little Squishmallow information tag in her box so she could have that and read it, or have someone read it to her. I've given her a compact mirror. I like to give these even to the toddlers. Her toothbrush, and her really cute pink scissors. I like that it comes with this attachment. It was just easier for me to slide these. I had these slidden right in the front of the box. Even though she's a toddler, it's always good to put school supplies in your toddler boxes. I had a viewer recently tell me that some of her toddler boxes went to the older girls. So there is a chance that this could go to an older girl who's you know, older and needs school supplies. So, and if not, she will use them eventually. And I've given her one of these fun rainbow pencils. Here is a half composition notebook. I picked the yellow because it went with her unicorn toy. And this is something that reminds me of my friend Sharon, Colors of Kindness crayons. We found these crayons right when we were doing one of our collabs. We did a heart shoebox collab, and these had just come out in the stores, and I love these. I always think of her when I see them. And then a whistle. I also slid in a little notebook that she could doodle on. And then a pretty gold bag. And I was able to give her 3 pair of underwear. This one has unicorns. This one has llamas, and Sharon and I did our very first collab we ever did was with llamas, and then pretty flowers. Now I didn't have unicorn stickers, but I did have some of these scented Care Bear stickers that I thought went with the same kind of vibe in her box. So these are cute. I love Care Bears. And then at the very bottom, I've given her one of these pictures that I bought in a kit from Dollar Tree. And I just put a picture on here, and I will write a message on this. I thought it was very pretty and goes with the theme of her box. And that is my shoebox for a girl 2 to 4 unicorn theme. I hope now that you go over and check out Sharon's shoeboxes for girls 2 to 4. And if you've already seen her shoeboxes of the unicorn, maybe you could check out some of our ballerina boxes or our wolf boxes. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you later.